Guys, kita niyo ba? Grabe, grabe. So, yun po yung traffic na hinaharap ng daily commuters. So, this is a viral, trending post on Facebook that is posted by Miss Rachel Ebalsin Balahadya. Thank you, Miss Rachel, for posting this. It visualized the sad reality of daily commuters. So, grabe guys. Ayan po. I agree to Miss Rachel's post about the traffic and the Filipinos that is opting to have a permanent work from home job. And ang reason po nun is this. Ito po yung reason kung bakit maraming Filipinos ang gustong magtrabaho sa kani-kanilang mga bahay instead na mag-work on site. So, yan po yung number one reason why most of the Filipinos opted to work from home. So, salute to every workers that is working on site. So, kaya yan guys and hoping na sana ay maging okay na po yung traffic natin dito sa Philippines. And para naman po sa mga fellow Filipinos ko po na nagwo-work from home na, ay we are grateful po na tayo po ay nakakapagtrabaho at the comfort of our home. So, hi everyone, I am Blessy. I am one of the virtual assistant here at VAME Philippines. So, si VAME Philippines po ay isa sa mga recruiting agencies here in the Philippines. And our company po is based in Israel. So, we are 100% work from home. So, kung isa ka po sa mga Filipinos na gustong magkaroon ng permanent work from home job, you may try VAME Philippines. So, as long as you have a laptop, an internet, and of course, basic knowledge sa pag-virtual assistant. So, we have different niches of being a virtual assistant. So, you may watch that video here on our TikTok page. So, visit nyo lang po. And if you wanted to apply, again, visit our TikTok profile and click the link on our bio. So, dun po tayo mag-a-apply. So, sana po ay maging okay na yung traffic natin here in the Philippines. And I am manifesting to every Filipinos that is aspiring to have a permanent work from home job na sana magkaroon na po din tayo ng work from home setup. Again, if you wanted to apply, so click the link on our bio, visit our TikTok profile, and don't forget to like and follow us. Thank you.